Take control of your financial future and watch your money grow with Revolut savings accounts. Today, we're diving deep into how to open a savings account right within the Revolut app. It's surprisingly simple and packed with benefits. First things first, ensure you have the Revolut app downloaded and log in. Once you're on the main home screen, look for the Savings tab, usually located at the bottom navigation bar. Tap on it to enter the Savings section. Upon entering the Savings section, you'll likely see an option to create a new savings account or a similar prompt. This is the gateway to your new savings vehicle. Tap on that. Revolut often allows you to create different types of savings accounts, perhaps for specific goals like a holiday, a new gadget, or just general savings. Choose the option that best suits your needs, or simply opt for a standard savings account if you prefer. Now, you'll be prompted to name your savings account. Get creative. Naming it makes tracking your progress more engaging. After naming, you'll likely be asked to set an initial deposit or simply confirm the account creation. Congratulations! You've just opened your Revolut savings account. From here, you can instantly start depositing funds and, importantly, you're now set to earn interest on your balance. You can easily manage your savings by adding funds, setting up recurring transfers to boost your balance, and tracking your interest earnings directly within the app. Revolut makes it incredibly easy to monitor your progress and adjust your savings strategy as needed, all from your phone. This digital-first approach means your savings are accessible and you can benefit from competitive interest rates, helping your money work harder for you. So, go ahead, start saving smarter with Revolut.